Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make キャベツの巣ごもり卵. It's egg in cabbage nest. Very simple and healthy dish. Just one pan and two ingredients will give you endless satisfaction. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with the dish, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Some cabbage, it's about 600 grams. 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, any oil you like. 1 teaspoon of salt and some black pepper. Let's shred the cabbage. Remove the core. And shred. Same for the rest of the cabbage. Heat up vegetable oil in the frying pan. And let's cook the cabbage until it's wilted. Once it's wilted, a teaspoon of salt and some black pepper. Give it a mix. And separate the cabbage roughly into 4. Make a little dent in the middle and crack the egg in each dent. Turn the heat to medium-low, add 2 tablespoons of water, cover with the lid and cook until the egg is your favorite consistency. I cooked it for about 5 minutes and the egg yolk is still slightly runny. This is my favorite. Turn the heat off and it's done. Let's carefully serve on the plate. Your favorite seasoning. I'm using soy sauce. And キャベツの巣ごもり卵 is ready to go. time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. The mixture of soy sauce and runny egg yolk made the dish so creamy and flavorful. I used soy sauce today, but please have it with your favorite sauce. Ketchup, mayonnaise, barbecue sauce, any sauce you like. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. I normally have the dish as a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Plain rice here, and your favorite miso soup here. How about umashio chicken for the main, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!